All-weather net. Designed for rugged use and dependability, this all-weather soccer net is the perfect solution so your goal or rebounder lasts kick after kick, score after score. Secure the net. Include self-sticking straps to secure the replacement net to the frame. Fast setup. Get back to playing soccer in no time. Heavy-duty net. Heavy-duty 60-ply netting for added durability. Multiple sizes. This net makes a great soccer goal for the backyard, or a great kids soccer goal that inspires young athletes to practice and score. Top reviews from the United States. High-quality soccer net. I bought a goalpost for kids to practice in the backyard. The net got ripped over time and I was about to buy new goalpost. I saw this and thought of giving a try. It is an excellent net, better than the one came with the post. Just followed the instructions to install, keep red tabs on the corners, and it took only 15 minutes to fix the net on goalpost. I used the Velcro that came with package. It feels strong and holding nicely even after hard goal kicks by my kids. We'll try to use wire ties if that gets ripped off. Overall, a very good product and value for money.